Hi dear customers, this is Casey from QQ Company. Now I'm going to test our this brass button downside parts for you, the grease parts. And all of these parts are made by brass. Raw material is brass and after nickel plating. So now you can see the Hashima detector. We set up A grade by 1.0 standard. So now we will test it. Okay, you can see pass directory and it's very smooth. So we can see it pass very smooth. That one with the plastic coat and this one without plastic coat. Okay, if you are interested for such this quality plus grease parts, you are welcome to contact us. Thank you.